of the people, they think Mphilo's biological mother is Masaule, Musamseleku's second wife. Just because, guys, Masaule passed on 2008. So people, they think that Makumalo, she is staying with Mpilo just because her mother, she is not alive. No. Musamseleku, he didn't want anyone to stay with his kids. Musamseleku wants to take care of his kids. That's why Mpilo and Makumalo, they're staying together in 2000 and it's about Mpilo, she was 11 years. That's why Musamseleku told Makumalo to stay with Mpilo, because Makumalo, she doesn't have anyone to stay with. Makumalo, she doesn't have kids. You understand? But Mpilo's mother, she is alive. Mpilo's mother is not a public figure like Musamseleku's wives. Mpilo's mother and Musamseleku, they are not married. They are even not staying together. You understand? They have a child together, but they don't even stay together. Like Snare's mother and Musamseleku, they have got a child. Maybe Musamseleku, he didn't want to marry Snare's mother. That's why Snare, most of the times, she is very bitter. Like Mpilo's mother and Mpilo's biological mother and Musamseleku, they don't even get married. Musamseleku, he had got many baby mamas. Masaule and Musamseleku, they don't have a child. Masaule passed on, but she doesn't have kids. Masaule, you understand him? She doesn't have kids like Makumalo. Masaule, she is like Makumalo. Because Masaule, she passed on 2008. Musamseleku married Makumalo. Musamseleku, he was thinking that Makumalo, she is going to have kids. You understand? Makumalo, she doesn't have kids. Musamseleku, like Masaule. Those two wives, Makumalo and Masaule, they don't have kids. You understand? They don't have kids with Musamseleku. So most of the people, they were thinking that Mpilo's biological mother is Masaule, because most of the people, they don't even know Mpilo's biological mother. You understand? Guys, most of the people know Mpilo's biological mother at her graduation. And Mpilo's biological mother, she doesn't want fame like other wives, because Utando Nestembo, it's about Musamseleku's 4 wives. You understand? So people at graduation, they were shooting photos. They were shooting pictures. That's why you saw Makumalo at her platform. She doesn't post those pictures, Mpilo's mother, because she doesn't want public. She doesn't want to be a public figure. Mpilo's mom. That's why you saw Makumalo, she didn't post those pictures at her Instagram or at her Facebook. You understand it?